take a break, or I just win this time. Mark Canzonetta.
I know. Lauren, how are you?
I'm good. In the Bistro 1907 restaurant right here in downtown Youngstown.
Classic downtown Youngstown, home of the Hilton Doubletree Hotel. So just, we're so happy to be a part of the Renaissance of Youngstown.
It's been so much fun, and the days that we get to see something and learn something from you are always a good day for us. So what are we doing today? It's a good day for me too. I know. We're doing a salad, right?
Part of being a bistro and harkening back to those days of old, we want to bring back some of those things that maybe your parents had or their parents had. And green goddess dressing was so popular. 40s, 50s, 60s. It was such a popular item, and I brought it back. It's starting to make a huge comeback, and we love making things from scratch. We don't buy any salad dressings that are pre-prepared here at Bistro 1907.
No shaking the bottle around here.
Yeah, no, none of that. So we're going to make green goddess dressing, and it's really simple. A lot of great herbs, some avocado to give it a new kick. So we're going to start off with some buttermilk because we want that acid from the buttermilk. So we're going to pour in about a cup of buttermilk. We're going to take a cup of your favorite prepared mayonnaise, and make sure it's a good mayonnaise. Some of the national brands are great, but some of them, some of the substitute brands are just as good. Some sour cream for balance and more acidity, which is going to be great in there. So we have those in there. Now we're going to take some avocado. I love avocado.
Look at how
Make sure you're getting ripe avocados, and we just want to take it and we want to cut it in half. Okay?
Look at it. I would cut my hand off.
No, well, maybe not. And you just peel it off, and you have that seed. And a quick trick for the seed is you take the heel of the knife and just cut and twist it off.
That's it?
That's it.
I've been using a spoon and a butter knife and,
Yeah, and then another trick is to get it out, just make these little cuts, about a ½ inch apart, just like this, and you squeeze it in. And that's all you have to do. Was that easy and nice?
I never knew that.
We're going to take some chives, because you have to have chives.
Fresh?
Some fresh parsley, of course.
Fresh parsley?
Some fresh parsley. We're going to take some garlic, because we always have to have some garlic in our dressing. Some fresh lime juice. We're going to put some pinch of sea salt. Some black pepper, fresh ground black pepper. Always a must in everything that I do.
Very good.
Okay, I'm going to add a little bit of water because of all those thick consistencies, just to thin it out a little bit. We're going to put it on my favorite kitchen tool called the Vitamix. And the Vitamix just purees things to a very, very silky, smooth, creamy consistency. You always have to make sure you have the top on. Hold it down. It's very industrial.
It looks industrial. But not terribly loud. That's
no,
kind of nice.
not very.
Kind of soothing.
Now you can see that beautiful color coming together. And we're just going to blend that. And we can turn it up so it gets super creamy and smooth. And then we're going to turn it down and shut it off.
And that's the dressing?
And this is our green goddess dressing. And just so we can see it, I'm going to pour it into this bowl. And look at the color of that.
It doesn't get much fresher than that, Mark.
It's absolutely gorgeous. And we're going to pair that with a great salad today. Yeah, give it a taste.
Can I taste it?
So bright and wonderful.
Holy moly, is that good?
Right?
Well, you're not only are you a good friend, you're also a pretty good chef. I got to hand it to you.
How easy was that?
That was very simple.
That was very, very simple. You can do that at home, whether you have a Vitamix or you don't have a Vitamix, whether you have an immersion stick blender, you can do whatever you want to do.
All the recipes are at bistro1907.com, so we're going to stick around. We'll be right back, okay?
Okay, see you in a sec.
Okay, now the magic happens, Mr. Mark Canzonetta,
right.
Chef Mark Canzonetta.
We're gonna, one of our great salads we have here at Bistro 1907. We love to use local crop, and this is grown right up in Cleveland, Ohio. So we have this Cleveland crisp lettuce. It's a hybrid lettuce. It's a cross between iceberg and romaine. So it's got the crunch of iceberg, but it's got the flavor of romaine.
The best of both
worlds fantastic.
on the planet of salads.
It comes with a stem on. Look at that. So it's amazing. We're just going to take that and tear it off.
That's it.
And that's all you're really going to do, because this is grown on aqua ponds. And we're just going to take that salad and lay it out just like that. I'm going to top it with some diced red peppers.
That's it.
Love the diced red peppers. Colorful.
Perfect.
Some English cucumber, because I love the English cucumbers. They're great. They're flavorful. Also in season right now, Molnar Farms has some of the best cucumbers you can get. Take them. I picked one up the other day. Wiped the dirt off, put some salt on it, and just crunched it. It was amazing.
We're gonna have to get out to this Molnar Farms.
I know. I think we're gonna have to do a segment out there with the Ricks.
I feel like that's an important
some
place
grilled
to
shrimp with a little bit of chili lime dust on there. And give your guests some nice shrimp. Give them some of those 16, 20 count shrimp. 16, 20 count means there's 16 to 20 per pound.
Okay.
Okay, so we're gonna put some of that shrimp.
The big boys.
Yep, and now we're gonna drizzle it with that amazing green goddess dressing, just like that.
And this is on the menu right here at Bistro 1907.
Every day at Bistro 1907. If you want it for breakfast, we'll make it for you at breakfast. Okay. Now
Very
we need to have
accommodating
something
here.
We need to have something to go with that.
We have to have something to drink,
We do.
you know, because we're going to be
So I think something that's going to be nice with that is going to be a spritz.
Perfect.
I love spritzes. It's a great way to start the day.
A little champagne spritz.
We're going to do a champagne spritz. We're going to take some ice, put it in a nice tall glass.
Beautiful.
We're going to take some of our house-made limoncello.
House-made, homemade.
Made by my dear friend Dominic Mazary.
How beautiful.
Yes. We're going to take some champagne. Your favorite. I wouldn't use a $100 bottle of champagne for this. You can use a sparkling wine from California if you want to, whatever you want to do. And we're just going to top that with a little Pellegrino.
And that's a champagne spritzer.
And that's a champagne spritzer. We're going to garnish it with a lemon. We'll squeeze a lemon.
Whoops.
Whoops.
That little slippery little guy just got away from us. Don't worry.
And we're going to stir it up with a little bit of fresh thyme because thyme and lemon are natural together. And put that in there just like
I
that.
thought time and space were naturals together.
They are. Okay.
I'll keep the bad jokes to myself.
Squeeze that in.
All right, good. I helped.
So bring that salad back. We've got that beautiful salad, green goddess dressing, fresh Cleveland crisp lettuce, grilled shrimp, lemon prosecco, sparkling water for a spritz. What better can you have on a sunny afternoon in Youngstown, Ohio? How are we doing there?
Nothing better.
Great.
So good.
I'm so glad.
Thank
I'm
you,
going to
Mark.
taste this.
Okay, sounds good. All the recipes, bistro1907.com.
That's
Sorry,
fantastic.
Mom, talking with my mouth full. Sabina will get mad too. Thank you.
Thank you. All right.